Hi guys, in this video I will be doing a cream and gel wash and go combo on my natural hair. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. So I have clarified and deep conditioned my hair. I have no leave-in in, but I think that the cream will act as a leave-in conditioner in this sense. We will see how that goes. I have my hair pre-parted from another style that I did. I just decided to keep the parts in, and let's get into it. So I really and truly don't know how this is going to turn out, but we are here anyway, and I just figured why not try this wash and go combo on my short hair. So I am sectioning my hair. I like to do my hair in small parts just so that I can get the most definition possible from just meticulously paying attention to the separate or individual sections. So that is what I like to do on my hair. And this is the little bit that I'll be working with. I will put a little bit of water on my hair just so that there is a little more moisture in my hair. And the product that I will be using is this cream from Flora and Curl. Along with this gel from Flora and Curl as well. I haven't used this gel before, so this will be my first time using it, and this will be the first time that you all will see it being used on my hair. On the back it says to distribute on wet or damp hair and allow hair to air dry, and a hooded dryer or a diffuser may also be used for faster drying. And they gave a tip as well: apply a pea-sized amount to the palm of your hands. I don't know about a pea size, but I will try to limit the amount of gel, but I don't know about a pea size. For less definition, or when the environment is not as humid, use a lesser amount. Work as needed to see how your hair responds, and it is perfect for wash and goes, finger coils, twist and braid outs. Y'all, I don't know how this is going to work on my hair, because this seems to be a lightweight gel, and although I prefer lightweight gels, I don't know how much hold it will have. So that is why I'm kind of pairing it with the twist and braid cream, although on the back of this it says nothing about the twist and braid cream, but it says it pairs wonderfully with the sweet hibiscus curl activation lotion for extra moisture and curl retention. So they said nothing about pairing it with this cream, so I will have to see how that goes. But I really do love this twist and braid cream. I really do love it, so I hope that it works well for wash and go. And here is what that's looking like. I think I put too much in the section already, because I'm used to just putting on a lot to do my hair anyway. I really hope it does not flake because I just don't have the patience for it. And my hair feels conditioned from what I know. I'm gonna put the rest in my hair so that it doesn't go to waste. And my trusty microfiber towel because it's a towel. So I'm going to shake up the bottle. Didn't say to shake up the bottle, but I'll shake up the bottle anyway. The bottle originally came with a pump, but the top broke off, so I replaced it with the bottle cap, and I think it's more practical for me, so why not? So this is what it's looking like. I tried to do a pea-sized amount. I mean, some peas are like this, some peas are this size, so there's also that. And that is what the consistency is looking like as well. I don't know how it's gonna work on my hair. I really don't know, but we will see. I've really only ever seen this gel on looser hair textures, but nothing on hair texture like mine. So we will see about that. I mean, it does feel nice going on my hair. It really does. And I am going to add a little bit more, about this amount. And we will see how it acts. That's what the first section is looking like. I can't really see, but I can feel a little bit of definition. So if anything, I will just add a little bit more gel. This is my third amount of gel. And from what I'm feeling now, there's a lot more curl definition. So we'll move on to the next section. I will do a montage and I'll be back with the wet results. Okay guys, so I am back with the wet results as I said I would. I unfortunately did not do the test, the mixing test before I applied the product, but I assume that since it is of the same line and the same brand, it shouldn't be a problem. But we will see what happens. There is a lot of white residue which I'm concerned about, and I'm hoping that it does not flake on me, because I don't want to look like Snowball City, and I really don't want to have to wash my hair again just because of my negligence. But we move. But anyway, I really did enjoy applying the gel. It went on really smoothly. It is a botanical gel, so I really did expect a light consistency, and it was just that. So I will be back with the dried results, and we will see if my hair flakes or not, because I would really love if this combo works, and I do feel a crunch in the back, so I'm hoping that everything works out. So we will see. All right, so it is the next day, and I'd be lying if I said that I wasn't scared to see how my hair looks because of the white residue that was on my hair before it dried. So I hope it's a good sight to see. So let's reveal what's underneath. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. Looking in the mirror right here, there's surprisingly no white residue, which it actually surprised me. So I'm gonna do a little bit of fluffing, and I'm gonna come back when my hair is all stretched out. My hair does have a little crunch to it, and from what I'm seeing, there are tiny balls, not too many to where I can't wear my hair, but I will fluff it out and then we will see how my hair looks afterwards. Alright, so I am back. My hair is shrunken and it's still wet in some places, my crown area and in the back as well, since I did my hair late at night and with all the layers of hair underneath didn't dry. So I'm gonna wait to see if it will dry throughout the day, because it's extremely, well, not extremely hot, but it is hot today, so my hair should dry. But guys, I love this combo. I really love the definition that I got from it, and the balls aren't too bad. They're in some spaces, and unless you look really closely in my hair you won't be able to see them, but I will see if it goes away based on the fact that there are some spots in my hair that are still wet, so the product is actually still visible. So I will update either on the screen or put it in the pinned comment so that you can see whether it went away or not. And guys, like I said, I really love this combo. It is not a crunchy wash and go, but it also isn't that fluffy. I think I could get about 2 or 3 days out of this wash and go. Seeing that it does have a soft hold to it, I'm not really expecting it to last that long, but like I said, I will update you. But guys, I may have found a combo that works. I rate this combo a 7 out of 10. It is a decent combo, it really is. So yes guys, this is the finished results, and I will show you the 360 that I usually do.
Day 3.
Alright guys, so I am back, and as you're seeing, my hair is in 2 cornrows. Hear me out. I liked the application of the combo. I liked the application of the gel, and I thought that they worked well together. I don't know what it was, but each time I even moved my hair, or each time my hair brushed against my clothes, a lot of particles would fall. I wouldn't really say that my hair flaked. I would more so say that it was more so a lot of product buildup, like excess product. Because my hair looked fine, it was really just my ends that had the white stuff on it, as if my hair didn't drink up the product. So I don't really want to completely discredit or throw away the combo completely. What I am gonna do is try it again, but this time in the shower, so look out for that video, because I think that it will make a difference. We'll see what happens. So I just thought I should share that. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, and if you liked this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who is interested in trying either the Flora and Curl Sweet Hibiscus Gel or their twist and braid cream, or the combo, but has no idea how it is going to work on their type 4 natural hair. Definitely send it to them. And while you're at it, check out the videos that will pop up on the screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.